In this video, we will see about Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, two aldehydes. So what I have taken here is the benzaldehyde. Two aldehydes that do not possess alpha hydrogen condenses in the presence of concentrated alkali such as sodium hydroxide to form a mixture of acid and alcohol. Okay. So what happens is one of the molecule will get oxidized. If aldehyde is oxidized, you get acid, benzoic acid. Since you have sodium hydroxide, you will get sodium salt of benzoic acid. And another molecule will get reduced, aldehyde reduced, then you get alcohol. Okay, so benzaldehyde will get reduced to benzyl alcohol. So in Cannizzaro reaction, two aldehydes that do not have alpha hydrogen combines in the presence of concentrated NaOH to form mixture of acid and alcohol. Okay, so what happens is one of the molecule, that is benzaldehyde, will get oxidized. C6H5 C double bond O Ne, that is sodium benzoate. Okay, plus benzyl alcohol C6H5 CH2OH. So this is said to be the Cannizzaro reaction. So crossed Cannizzaro reaction means, for example, if I take formaldehyde, if the aldehydes are not same, okay, so one let it be formaldehyde, another if it is benzaldehyde, both do not have the alpha hydrogen. So this is said to be crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So what may be the product? So which is going to get oxidized and which is going to get reduced? So that's the question here. In this case, formaldehyde will get oxidized, okay, and the benzaldehyde will get reduced. Then what you get? Benzyl alcohol as such, and then sodium formate you will be getting. Formaldehyde is oxidized, so you get sodium formate, and benzaldehyde will get reduced to benzyl alcohol. So this kind of reaction is said to be crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Now I'll see about mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. So this involves three steps. Attack of OH minus ion. OH minus ion from the alkali will attack one of the molecule, aldehyde molecule, carbonyl group of aldehyde molecule. And next step, hydride ion transfer occurs, and third step is the proton exchange. So three steps: attack of OH minus, hydride ion transfer, proton exchange reaction. So this is step 1. OH minus ion attacks one molecule of the benzaldehyde. Okay, so where do it will attack? It will attack the carbonyl carbon. So when this attacks the carbonyl carbon, this bond shift over to the oxygen. Okay, so I can write the product to be C6H5 O minus, alright, OH minus, and then H. Alright, now the second step is the hydride ion transfer. So let me write down this one again now in the second step. So I have written this again. Okay, so this is OH actually. Now let me write the another molecule of benzaldehyde, C6H5 C double bond OH. So hydride ion from here, okay, hydride ion from here will get transferred or get attached to this carbonyl group. So the bond, I mean the negative sign will get shifted over here. What do I get then? C6H5 C double bond OH, which is benzoic acid. C6 H5 C double bond O OH benzoic acid. Since this hydride ion transferred to here to this carbon, okay, double bond will shift over to the oxygen. So what do I get? I get C6H5 CH2 C C6H5 hydrogen attached here, so CH2, this bond shifted here, so C6H5 CH2O minus. So third step will be exchange of proton. So that means this proton will be given to this oxygen, exchange of proton. Alright, and since the reaction occurs in the presence of sodium hydroxide, sodium get attached over here. So in the third step. So third step, these two, from these two there is a exchange of proton to get C6H5 C double bond O ONA, and then C6H5 CH2 OH. So what is this? Benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. So what is this? Sodium benzoate. Okay, so two molecules of benzyl combines. One is oxidized to sodium benzoate, another is reduced to benzyl alcohol. So this will be the mechanism. First, attack of OH. OH attacks the carbonyl group of one of the benzaldehyde, and this bond shift over here, okay, to get a molecule like this. And please write down the same again, and plus another molecule of benzaldehyde is to be written here, okay, so that now the hydride ion transfer occurs. So one molecule becomes benzoic acid and another oxide of benzyl alcohol. Then proton shifting occurs to form benzyl alcohol and then sodium salt of benzoic acid.